T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have main engine start. We have liftoff.
What's up, guys? All that rain last week had a brother singing the blues. I went to Harbor Freight to get me a sump pump, and guy said, man, all that rain, people was buying sump pumps left and right. I said, well, good, because I don't feel bad then, because my basement got wet too. What's up, guys? It's time to go down to Big Brian's basement. Oh yeah, and as you can see, all that rain last week caused my basement to flood out. So anyway, this is a sump pump right here. That's my sump pump, and as you can see, it's not working. That thing's beat all to hell. I don't even know how old this thing is. But yeah, for those of you who don't know what a sump pump is, sump pump pumps the water out your basement. Mine stopped working. Tell you a quick little story. Not my first house, but one of my houses that I own, right, when my basement had flooded like this, and I knew what a sump pump was, but I didn't know why it had stopped working. So I called the plumber, and the plumber came, and he goes, oh, I got good news, and I got bad news. I said, yeah. I said, well, what's the good news? He said, good news is your sump pump is okay. And what he did was, like some sump pumps have a float on them, just like a mouse. And he took the stick, and what it was caught on the edge of this. And he took the stick and he went like this, and he moved it off the edge, and it came up, and the sump pump started working. I'm like, wow. He said, the bad news is it's gonna cost you $90. And I never forgot that. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me, man. Nope. I had to write a check out for $90 to this guy because he came and just moved my float off got stuck and just moved it off of there, and it came up. So anyway, remember that story. Some sump pumps have that float that look like a mouse. This one doesn't have that type of float. This one has a float, this right there in the front. See it going up and down? So that's that type of, because some holes this mouse could get stuck, but I actually think this one could, the float would get stuck. I actually think this one could have that type with the float to come up because it's kind of wide. But anyway, just forgot to tell you that little story so you can remember that too. Always check the float before you call the plumber. So now I'm gonna take this bad boy up out of here. And this goes my AC outlet right there. There's my little helper. And I like my basement. I have a pretty big basement. As you can see, got me a table over there. There's my oil furnace. There's my 2 oil tanks. Yeah, it's not a bad basement. It's pretty big. Only thing you have to watch out is for that beam there for me. I've almost knocked myself out a couple of times. Got a duck. But yeah, pretty big basement. So yep. Anywho, I've taken out, it took me, man, I don't know how many buckets of water to get it down to there. I don't know. I would say 25 buckets of water. Yeah. And I'm gonna tell you guys, if you own a home or whatever, I'll tell you what, I couldn't live without this wet vac. This thing is awesome. I'm gonna suck the rest of that water out of there. That thing is awesome. Now you can get a good look and see how that pipe attaches to the sump pump. Gotta take that off of there. And I ordered me one off of Amazon. I hope it works as good as this one. Dig. Thank you, Zoe. Now I gotta cut this piece off. I've never seen rubber so tough in my life. I got it, guys. I didn't have no idea how far that pipe went down, but there it is. Now I can take the sump pump out. Okay, guys, there's the sump pump, and that pipe went all the way down to about here. There was no way I was going to be pulling this thing off of there. That pipe went all the way down about right here. So, yep, and it's clamped on. So I had to cut that off of there. But anyway, here's the sump pump. And I'll tell you how old this thing is. There's a float in the front. See when the water goes up? That's the switch. But it's not working. Let's see. Let me try it out now. Okay. Yeah. I got it plugged up. It's funny though, it sound like it came on. Huh. Let's try something. This thing right here fell out of it. I'm gonna put it in some water and see what happens. Yeah. It's dead. I got a new one coming anyway, so. Anyway, guys, when the new one comes, I'll show you what it looks like. Hey guys, look what I got. I got my new sump pump. Oh yeah, got this from Amazon. Aquaware. Yeah. Your water pump specialist. Oh yeah. There it is. So let me take this bad boy out the box and let's hook it up. Okay guys, so this is how it looks out the box, and comes with a, I think you can hook your water hose up to it. And right here, as you see, it says water level, turn on, turn off. So that top line, if the water's that high, I guess it'll come on by itself when it's here. And when it's down here, it'll kick off. That's pretty cool. I like that. I'm gonna hook it up. Yeah, this one doesn't have a float. Here's a side-by-side comparison, guys. That's the old one, of course. Beat the hell. Float in the front. Start working. Here's a new one. And oops, switches on the bottom. And no float. So let's hook it up and see how it works. The cord is just a little bit shorter than the old one, but it's okay. Also, the old one has this tubing, and the new one can hook up to a water hose. Yeah. This piece right here hooks up to the water hose, like so. And that attaches to the sump pump. Also got a 3-year warranty. Okay, guys, I'm going to try this thing. Let's see. There's the water levels. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's see what happens. I got it plugged up. Almost there. Almost. Okay, guys, this thing works like a champ. And as you can see, it's quiet and it cut off by itself. So, yeah. You know what's funny? I've been in this house for years, and I never knew it's a light here. See, that's why sometimes it's good to do things. I never knew it was a light there. I'm like, oh, it's another light there. Let's see if it works. Doesn't work, but probably another light bulb. But I'm like, hey, I never knew I had a light there. And by the way, guys, my floor is already wet. That's why I had to get a sump pump, because my basement had flooded a little bit right here. So anyway, I'm very happy. Now I just got to run my water hose through the pipe. Okay, guys, ready for the ultimate test. There's my sump pump. I got to hook up to a water hose. I'm going to stick it in this bucket full of water. Let's see what happens. Here we go. There's the water. Right? See it? Yes, sir. Still going. And it shuts off by itself. Yes, sir. Okay, guys, so now you see my new project. There's my pipe going out the house. I'm gonna just cut this. I don't need all that pipe anymore, and just run my water hose through that pipe, and voila, hopefully. Okay. And I'll put something in there so my sump pump can sit on, so it don't suck all that mud up. I got my handy Sawzall. Don't leave home without it. Oh yeah, guys, and when you're working, doing stuff like that, using the saw, you want to make sure you got your PPE on, okay? Oh yeah. See, I got my PPE on. I got no gloves though, but eyes are the most important things. I mean, I could cut it way up there, but I'm gonna cut it right here, guys. Hopefully that hose just go make that curve. Be right back. Just showing you what I'm doing. I'm gonna cut it right here, but I want to use 2 hands. Okay? Okay. Gotta be safe. And there you go, guys. The Sawzall ain't no joke. A few seconds, done. Look at my helper, guys. Hi, baby girl. Hi. You come see your daddy. I love you. I do. I love you, Zoe. You love your daddy too, don't you? Get that kiss. She's helping me. She's scared of that Sawzall, though, guys. Changing plans. I'm going to cut it up here, because it don't even make sense to run it. And I can't bend it. So I'm going to cut it right there. All right? Give me another second. Be right back. Okay, guys. There we go. Now I'm going to run the water hose out. I'm going to hook that up real quick. Okay, guys. One more change in plans. I just cut that bend off. I couldn't get the water hose through there. And just in the nick of time, because now, as you can see, it's starting to rain like crazy. Just in time. Okay, guys. I'm done. Just in time for the rain. And you can see how I got it. I got it blocked off too. You don't want no little creatures trying to crawl through there. I'm going to reseal it, but that's a temporary seal. There's my sump pump. And let's see if this thing works. I'll pull some water in there. See, guys, these are all the fun things you have to do when you own a home. All right. Let's try it out. Let's see. I hear it. I hear it. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. And it's going out. So I'll turn the light off. Going out the house. That's what we want. Right there. Right there, Mr. Fong. Right there. And it should shut off by itself when it's done. Now I can empty the water out my shop vac. That thing was loaded. Shop vac for worth their weight in gold too, guys. So yeah, that's my next project, guys. I gotta seal my basement floor. I started on that wall a long time ago. I did some of that. Anybody want to come help me? Got my sink over here. Let's see how it looks outside. Got a nice sized basement. There's my Roman chair. Goes all the way back there. Okay, there's my water hose. That's an easy enough fix. I can just cut that. Alright, guys. Have a good day. Peace. There we go, guys. Good as new. Now it's time to go make a pizza. Peace out.